Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders, and myself Bala, and I am welcome you again my YouTube channel because the channel was hacked few days back, and we don't post any videos, any communications, and my Gmail and YouTube, the Google account totally hacked, and after a long term, so I have recovered my account, the Talent Traders. We have more than 7,500 subscribers. Thanks for your being with me, and also a lot of people are asking your channel is not available, and special thanks to you those who are following my channel. From today onwards, you will be getting a lot of videos from my YouTube channel, and new things we can identify, and I will make in on the channel now. And one of the charting scanner video I am going to upload in this one. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, if you are watching first time of my channel, kindly subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the regular notification whenever we made the video. And that's about my thing. So long back, almost 2 months, we are not in the we are not making the video. But right now, so we are going to concentrate on that, and daily basis you are going to get some knowledgeable videos from my channel. I'm sure that. And this video, what I'm going to discuss about on a Chartink scanner, which I'm going to create you now, and the alert of the particular stock would be I'm sending you to on my Telegram channel. So I have also Telegram group, so you can also join with that my Telegram group. The name of the Telegram group is Candlesticks Pattern Trader. So the current subscribers is around 2,900. Uh, so you can check that the YouTube channel and the Telegram channel. You can join with me. Okay. And once again, I'm thanking you for all those who are being with me. Thanks for your support. Okay, so let's move on to the video now. So what I'm going to discuss in this video, it is very simple. Uh, the candlesticks based, I'm going to make a scanner. So why we are using the scanners and screeners? The scanners and the screeners will help you to find out the stocks in a real time. So we do some other works in a trading or analyzing, but meanwhile we cannot be able to do spend more time on the finding out the stocks. So that is the help of the scanners and screeners. So we will find out the stocks which is based on our conditions, what conditions we made. So based on that condition, we are going to filter out the stocks. Once we are filtering out that stock, we are going to plan a trade on that particular stock. That is the use of the scanners and screeners which we are using for that. So here I am going to use one simple trick to find out such a great opportunity in a intraday trading, right? So that is based on the open low and open high. So I'm not going to use that open low and open high in a normal way. I am going to use in a different way. So that open low and open high, how we are going to make use of that open low open high thing. So that I am going to use in a different way. So let me try it out, do it some scanners. So which I find out. Let's see if the day where the market is open started to open with a gap down. Sorry, open low. Let's see this day in a Nifty. It is not exactly open low, but if you look at the candle, it is looking open low. The open price is 16,924 and the low price is 16,917. So there is a 6-7 rupees gap between the open and low. But I need the exact open and low where I'm going to find out. So to find out the exact open and low or open high, so that will give you some idea. So open low and open high concept which I'm going to use. So I'm going to use in a future stocks. Then I'm going to create the latest open. The open price, simple code, but having more powerful on the system, equal to the latest low, right? Low of the lead. So okay, this code, this scan will filter out the stock in a futures group if it is forms open exactly equal to the low. Let me try it out. What are the stock which present here now? So today That means the last trading session, that is 17/6 2022, Bajaj Finserv Aditya Birla Patience so forms a open low, and Aditya Birla Capital also, but it was in negative. How it became? So let us open equal to latest low. Let's go to Bajaj Finance, Aditya Birla, ABFRL, and AB Capital. Let's first check AB Capital whether it is right or wrong. Okay, let's select exchange first. AB Capital. Okay, that was when it is happening on last trading session. Let me try it out. First, we will save the scan. So we will save the test to back test the result. So this is happening on 17th. I think it is maybe Bajaj Finance, AB, FRL, and 17/6. AB, FRL, BFR. Just wait. AB, FRL, equity, right. So let's see that 225.20 is the open, and the same time the low of the candle is 225.20. The open and low is exactly same for the stock, right? So that the scanner will find out. So among 200 stocks in the futures, while we are using the scanners, only 3 stocks which forms such a kind of pattern, so it will filter out. So this was okay, AB, FRL, okay, and AB Capital, and then next one would be AB Capital and Bajaj Finance. AB Capital, AB Capital. I'm not going to do that normal open low concept. AB Capital, Aditya Birla Capital now. So this is also be a exact open low 90 rupees and 90 rupees. Right? You got it? And here also can you see there is a open low at 94. All right, this is my key where I am going to use this one for my intraday or positional trading. Not positional, mainly I am going to use for intraday trading. And another one, there is a 100 open low, this particular time 100 and open low. So I can find out there is a, so manually I can find out 3 times it forms a open low in a row, right? So this 3 times, how I am going to apply my strategy or how I am going to do it now. So first of all, I am going to find out the open low on the day and Bajaj Finance and AB Capital. AB Capital we have seen, and finally Bajaj Finance. The simple logic, this is also be a open low stock. Exactly, the price is 5,220. So now what I'm going to do here, so this was when the live market, if you see the stock may be 5,220 open and the low also be 5,220 in a live market, this may be broken at any point of the time. So if the stock may forms at 9:30, it may be open low, but after sometimes later it breaks the open low, the stock will not be available on that particular list. Hope you understand. Because based on the, if you are doing the trading based on the open low concept, once that open low is broken, the stock will be not available on the scanning list. It may be removed. Maybe yesterday some 10-20 stocks also be available in the open low scanner in the morning, but after sometimes later, if that open low is broken, the stock will be not available. So but what I'm going to do here is simply I'm going to take that open low on previous day. That means yesterday open low. If the candle is closed by yesterday, the data will not change, and the data is reliable, and the data never ever change. If this candle is closed, this open low candle is closed, this open low never ever changes for a tomorrow, because it is already settled and already fixed. But until unless the market is running, so we cannot fix exactly the candle is going to end, or it's going to sustain as an open low, or it may broke. So we don't know. But my concept is, first of all, I'm going to take open low on the day which must be a yesterday. So what I'm going to do, so these are the stock which is happening yesterday, but I'm going to take a trade for today. So what I use, 1 day ago low open equal to 1 day ago low. So that this will filter out those stock which is forms 1 day ago. Let's see. on MR of Maruti on 16th. This will show you 16th Maruti. Maruti may be open low. Maruti Suzuki. Yeah. Here can you see on 15th, but whenever you got the result on 16th means we used 1 day ago 15th it was a open low on the day of 15th. Once the day is finished, next day we are running the scanner, it will give you open low. So it is forming a open low. Okay, so what importance about the open low? So open low means the stock will never traded below the opening price. That means strong at the price, strong at the price. The price may be a some support with the assumption. It's not an exact support. It may be assumption because this price is never ever traded the stock below that level yesterday. Correct. So and then market went up and we closed with the positive day. So maybe some bullishness, but this may be support for the day because it never ever broken for the day. So support price. So based on the assumption, we think that that would be a support price. If the market is never settled down below that open equal to low price on the day, even it confirms there is a support on the day. But unfortunately, if next day the candle it broken the support level, can we accept a selling pressure? Even if I buy there, if it is breaks below the low, I can exit. So normally what they are doing open low. So people are buying it open low. So they keep the stop loss at low or below the low. Once the key point is broken, there is a chances to going down. That is the concept which I am going to use. So what I am going to use now, I'm going to use and today's close price must cross below or less than 1 day ago low. Here if it is a less than, if you are mentioning that less than, it will tell you what are the stock which is below the level. So if you are running the scan, you will be getting very minimum number of stocks. So yesterday should be the open low, and today the stock must cross that open low point of yesterday's low. That kind of stocks where I mentioned here. Let's see 16th MFSL and MRF is the stock, but there we seen Maruti, but Maruti not available. So MRF, let's see MRF. What happened here? Maybe here is the open low. 16th, right? Where it is happened 16/6. That means 15th we are going to see. This is the 15th because here we are mentioning the date 1 day before. So means whatever the date you got it, so you have to see 1 day before date. So let's see Maruti, sorry MRF 1 day below lows. Just wait, I will remove 1 day below lows. 68,202.25 is the lowest price. So at this point 68,202.25 is the lowest price and equal to open equal to low, and market which moves positive and close positive day, and next day open little bit higher about the opening, maybe the gap up, and it's slowly going down. Once it is broken that level of your previous day open low is broken around 68,202, the next day market coming down to 67,000. Here 68,202 and 67,000 is the maximum low where it is made. Almost 1,200 point it was generating you in a single day. The concept is now clear. Simple concept. The previous day should be the open low, and the next day market breaks the open low. So we take a selling opportunity on a particular stock, that will give you such a great opportunity. That is what main concept where I'm going to apply this scanner will filter out. And see MFSL. MFSL 15th it's your open low around 808.2. Next day it started by 826. We are waiting to break down that 808 and then it coming down to 793, almost another 20 points down from that open low is broken. If this happen on the next day, immediate next day, would have the more power. After sometimes later may work or may not, but here also can you able to see that kind of opportunity around 719.20. That is a open low. Next day immediately that 719 is broken and it is fallen down to 701. Such a thing we can filter out the here is the open low, but the stock never fallen down after the next day. So it is keep on continue the trend. Right. So this is what a small concept where we can make. And here the scanner you cannot use less than. If you are using crosses below, you are using the crosses below. Whenever that crosses below that level, you may be getting that alert. So if you see even very small number of stock. Jubilant Food on 86. Let's see. My God, that was gone. Just a second. There's 4. So here the close price latest is less than low of 1 day ago. What it means, after 2 days later, if the stock uh, so after 2 days later, if the stock is trading below less than, means we are using a less than number. It means after 2 days, 3 days later, if the stock, so for example, this is the open low. 2 days later, the stock will be fallen down from this low. So that stock also will shown here. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to make the real scanner, which is sending you the alert whenever the stock broken down that level. Latest close is less than the or crossed below. If you are using crossed below, would be better 1 day ago low, so you will be getting that alert on real time. So I'm going to bind this alert to my Telegram channel, would help you to make some intraday ideas. So you can try it out first, check that how it is working about the system, and first check it out. Once you got a confident, you can start make trading on that. So after a long time we are making make a video. I hope this may be useful to you, and thank you for your kind support and help. And thank you so much. If you are not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update. Thank you so much. So this is the scanner, you can copy it and you can create it. Thank you so much.